Hi students, welcome to part 7 of the 100 verses 2. In this chapter, in this part, first Maddie's strong decision. You are going to know about Maddie's strong decision if there is time. About Vanda Petro, Peggy and Maddie's decisions also they you will know. Well, anyway said Peggy, she has gone now. So what can we do? Now Peggy is expressing her views to Maddie. Well, Peggy, hey, Peg. Anyhow, sorry. Peggy is expressing her views to Maddie. Hey, Mad. Anyhow, she has gone now. So what can we do? Maddie, Mad. What can we do? Anyhow, we searched for her. We had searched for her and we realized we got repentance, but Vata Petronsky has gone. What can we do now? Besides, when I was asking her about all dresses, she probably was getting good ideas for her drawings. She might not even have won the contest otherwise. Now, here, Peggy is boasting herself. Understand here, besides means in addition. Here, besides means in addition. In addition. In addition of when I was asking her about all her dresses, actually, she was asked by me about dresses, about 100 dresses, about dresses, how many dresses do you, hey Vanda Petrovsky, how many dresses do you have? When I was asking her about all her dresses, I used to ask Vanda Petrovsky about her dresses and moreover about all her 100 dresses. That's why Vanda Petrovsky got different ideas. By getting all those ideas, she had drawn or she had portrayed 100 dresses. That credit goes to me. Peggy is boasting herself here. Peggy is boasting herself, and actually, because of many people think that you and other people think that because of me only Vanda Petronsky left the school. But in fact, because of me only Vanda Petronsky got prize and she won in that contest. Understand here? Besides, when I was asking her about all her 100 dresses, she probably was getting good ideas for her drawings. When she was asked by me, she got different ideas, she got different thoughts. By getting all those different ideas, different thoughts, she had drawn different designs. She might not even have won the contest otherwise she might not have she might not even have won the contest. I used to call or I used to criticize, I used to tease her because of my criticisms, my comments, my teasings. She won the contest. Sometimes we have to accept these thoughts of Peggy, because sometimes our friends or our parents or our relatives, sometimes they may criticize us, they may comment us, "Arey, you girl, you boy, Arey Nana, you don't know anything. You can't do anything. You can't fulfill your achievement. You will never get any idea. You are waste." Sometimes we may be criticized by our parents, or we may be criticized our friends, or we may be criticized our relatives, or we may be criticized by other people. When Whenever we are criticized by using such type of words, that we are the least one and we are waste, at the time we want to prove ourselves. Hey, some weak mind people, they may do, they will get angry, but the strong mind people, the people those who have strong mind and the people who are matured mentally, those people, okay, I am criticized, I am teased, I am commented. No, I should not be commented, I should not be criticized, I should not be teased. I should prove myself what I am. I should prove myself what I am. Mature mind people, they think and they prove themselves, and finally they prove themselves what they are. So in this way, we can think we can accept Peggy's thoughts. Peggy is boasting herself that because of her only Vanda Petronsky got ideas. Sometimes we may get ideas. Who will get ideas? Who will get thoughts? The people, those who think in positive way, positive attitude or positive thinkers, they get ideas. So though you are, even though you are criticized, even though you are commented, even though you are commented or criticized many times, you prove yourself what you are. Here Vanda Petrosky proved herself what she is, and many people are there proved themselves what they are. Maddie turned this idea carefully over in her head for if there were anything in it, she would not have to feel so badly. Now, Maddie has taken this idea into her head. Now onwards, Maddie decided she doesn't want to think badly about Peggy and other friends. But that night she couldn't get to sleep. But Maddie couldn't get to sleep in that night. As I told you in your previous classes, previous parts, if you think about someone or something or somebody, every time in any time 24 hours, 365 days, or morning to evening, dusk to dawn, if you think about anybody or anything or something, your mind is on that person or that something. Now, Maddie is thinking about Vanda Petrons. That's why Maddie couldn't get sleep in that night. But that night she couldn't get sleep. She thought about Vanda and her faded blue dress and the little house she had lived in. Why didn't she get sleep? Again she remembered. Again Maddie remembered. Again Maddie recollected all the incidents which are occurred to Vanda Petronsky, and Vanda Petronsky's beautiful face, her 100 dresses drawings, and her faded blue dress, and her white little house. Because in that evening they searched or they visited Vanda Petronsky's house. But unfortunately, Maddie couldn't find Vanda Petronsky. Vanda Petronsky had left. She had gone to somewhere else. That's why Maddie is thinking continuously. Maddie has been thinking about Vanda Petronsky's beautiful face, her drawing, her portraits, her 100 roses of drawings, her faded blue dress, and her white house, small white house. In front of her are all these are rotating in her mind. That's why Maddie couldn't get sleep. Little house she had lived, and she thought of the glowing picture those 100 dresses made, all lined up in the classroom. At last, Maddie sat up in bed and pressed her forehead tight in her hands and really thought. Again, she remembered all the 100 dresses which are lined up in that room number class room number 13 in her classroom. Immediately, Maddie sat up in the bed and pressed her forehead. Maddie pressed her forehead. Maddie pressed her forehead tight in her hands and really thought. In her hands, she pressed her forehead tightly. She pressed her forehead. Why did she press her forehead tightly in her forehead? Because, again, if you think about a person or if you think about something, definitely you won't get sleep, and as well as you may get a headache. That's why Maddie Maddie sat up in her bed and pressed her forehead tight in her hands and really thought. Really, Maddie is thinking about Vanda Petronsky. This was the hardest thinking she had ever done in her life. Since her childhood days, this is the first time she had ever done the hardest thinking. This is the hardest thinking about a person. Maddie is thinking about a person hardly. After a long time, she reached an important conclusion. After a long time, she has been thinking, thought. Finally, she came to a conclusion. She had taken a decision. That is Maddie's strong decision. What is that? She was never going to stand by and say nothing again. That strong decision is, whatever may happen to me and as well as to Vanda Petronsky, not only to me, Vanda Petronsky, but also to others, those who belong to poor status, she wants to stand by them. She wants to give support to them. She wants to support them. She was never going to stand by and say nothing again. She doesn't want to stand silently. Maddie's strong decision is she wants to give support to the people, those who are facing the problems, or those who are criticized, or those who are commented, those who are teased by her friend Peggy and her other classmates. Whatever it may be, whatever it happens, Maddie wants to give support to Vanda Petronsky and other people who are facing such type of problems. If she ever heard anybody picking on someone because they were funny looking or because they had strange names, she would speak. Picking on someone means treating someone unkindly, unfairly, criticizing them. See here, if Maddie ever heard anybody picking on someone because they were funny looking, if some people are funny looking because they had strange names, if they have strange names, she would speak. She wanted to speak. She wants to give support to them. That is the strong decision of Maddie. That's why Maddie is a strong decision. As I told you in your previous part, in your previous parts, we have to give support to the people, those who are facing such type of problems. We should not leave them. Mostly our friends may tease us, may criticize us. Along with them, if we tease them, if we criticize them, you are going to lose your attitude. Here, Maddie doesn't want to lose her attitude. Positive attitude you are going to lose. Maddie doesn't want to lose her positive attitude. That's why she wants to give support to the people, those who are facing such type of problems. Even if it meant losing Peggy's friendship. See here, she is ready. Even if I lose Peggy's friendship also, no problem. There is no problem to me. She is ready. Maddie is ready to lose the friendship of Peggy. See here, friendship. Generally, we want to give support to the friends, whether they are whether they are following positive attitude or a negative attitude. Generally, we don't want to lose their friendship. They we may be asked by them, "You aren't you my friend? If you aren't my friend, don't support me." Actually, if the people, the best friends are good friends, should not encourage you to tease some people, some other people, to tease others. They should not encourage you. Here, Maddie is ready to lose the friendship of Peggy. She had no way of making things right with Wanda, but from now, she would never make anybody else that unhappy again. Now, Maddie wants to see the happiness of Vanda Petronsky and other people who are facing such type of problems. That's why Maddie has taken strong decision that she wants to give support to Vanda Petronsky and other people who are facing such type of problems, and she is ready to lose the friendship of Peggy because Peggy did wrong to Vanda Petronsky. Okay, my dear students, see you in the next part. Bye.